What's up, everybody? We got some really cool 57 Chevys here. We got a really cool issue of Kustoms Illustrated. We got an original pepper shaker, reissue. We got an old school customizing kit. We got an old project of mine. So let's talk about some 57s. Give me a second, I'll be right back. Hey, what's up, everybody? Paul here, Left Coast Small Car Builds. Happy Thursday. Hope you guys are having a great week. Pop say appreciates all the happy birthday wishes got yesterday. Thank you all. So we're going to take a look at some 57 Chevys, kind of following up from Pops' birthday and one of his favorite cars and kits, as well as mine. Love all these. And we got a really good Kustoms Illustrated here. So, had a little, not a situation, just a little thing came up. I was looking at picking up one of the pepper shakers off eBay and had an interesting thing come up. Started looking at the parts closely. I'm glad I did, because it wasn't cheap. It was listed as an original pepper shaker, parts, everything. But it seemed like something was missing. And when I contacted the guy, I'm guessing, I don't think he was trying to do anything negligent. I think he wasn't a model car guy himself. He probably either purchased stuff or was maybe selling for a family member. So I explained to him what I was seeing, what was different. He appreciated it. So give me a second. We're going to dive right into that. We'll be right back. All right, everybody. So let's talk about these 57 Chevy kits right here. Being we had a Pop's birthday yesterday, this is one of his favorite kits and one of mine as well. We have 3 different versions here. I like them all. I'm a fan of the 57. So a lot of the newer ones, or at least some of the mid, like probably 70s, 80s, 90s, you had brown plastic, sorry. Whereas a lot of the older ones, you had the white plastic. Now, another reason I want to bring this up, because we've kind of looked at these before. So I found one. I don't remember if it was on eBay, and I believe it was this box here. It was the older box. The gentleman said it was an original, AMT 57 Chevy. Is it either that box or it may have been this one? I think it was I want to say it was this one. And he said, all original, with the old custom parts in it. And so I said, okay. So the newer one, round 2, aside from round 2, but one of the ways you can tell, so very similar boxing in what you have here, right? Little different though. But where a key difference is, so on the old one, you can see this custom piece and this custom piece. Whereas a new one just has these down here. And when you look at this one, that's all it shows, right? So he had this box, but the custom parts he was missing was here and here. And I didn't see this the chopped glass, which is right in here. So I had sent him a question or contact through. He's a nice gentleman. I think he may have been like a toy collector or selling for somebody, wasn't familiar, But I asked him, he says, yeah, it's an old, I forgot what he said. And he sent me a picture showing the box. And the contents, though, what I noticed, it was like 2 kits combined, but I don't think either one of them were really complete. But there was nothing of the old custom stuff. The chrome trees were different, didn't have the old chrome parts either. So make sure if you're looking at some of these kits, you're always careful. Either know the buyer or seller. Know the seller, check with them, and look at the kits just to try to make sure you're getting those parts. Because I have seen, and I don't, not, I don't know how to put it. Not saying everybody out there does things intentionally, but I have seen some of the old boxings of different AMT kits with some of the new contents in them, where they get away from some of the old customizing parts, the original stuff. So just kind of wanted to walk you through that experience and I always like to check these parts out. I mean, these things are really cool. I love all these custom parts. I gotta find, we have one of these started that has the custom front. It's not chopped, but it has the front and rear end. Really cool. Probably should have shortened stuff up to bring it in a little, but that's all right. Do that on the next one. And then this is one that was started again back probably when I was a teenager. So found that when we were going through stuff. That's another one I want to get back out and build. Do something neat with. Fun stuff. A lot of fun projects. And we got some there. But anyways, that was my kind of little review there on the 57s and just giving folks kind of a heads up. I think, again, the guy I was talking to, I think he just wasn't aware. I don't think he was trying to, do anything negligent to anybody. But there are other folks that will take contents out of this, put them in here, and sell it as the old original, 57, or they'll even put them in the other box, but this one and this one I know have those older parts. That's what makes them really nice. But anyways, let's kind of look at nice clean plastic body. I'll make a neat one up. And a lot of times when we talk about using these custom parts, we'll normally look at a newer body. Like working with the older plastic better myself. So I'll save that for something I'm going to build more like this, or the blue one my pops built, or the black one. We use the newer bodies that we're going to sand and cut and do all that on. So anyhow, that was my 2 cents and experience there on that. Love these kits. Love the old customizing kits. So give me a second. I'm going to wrap this stuff up and we'll get into our Customs Illustrated. All right, everybody, here we are. Customs Illustrated, issue 45. Something sweet, and that is very nice. Let's take a look at what we got here. Tell you, Luke always stacks these magazines with just killer stuff. Customs Illustrated, always make sure you get your subscription going. Very nice. 50 Chevy. Nice color combo right there. Yeah. And on the darker side, which is nice, that makes that chrome kind of pop. The white walls, everything kind of flows. Really nice. That's crazy. A car was featured in 1962 in Custom Craft magazine. Very cool. Neat to see these cars that have that older history to them. Always love seeing that. That's just beautiful right there. See that in a lot of magazines and stuff. Check that out. That's a beautiful paint job. Very subtle fade work in there. Really nice. That's going to be right up Bella's alley. She likes her purple and pinks. Beautiful pearl in that. Oh, that's gorgeous. A lot of custom work there. Very nice. Really nice. Here we go. Really nice customs here. Check that out. That's wild. That's cool. Gotta do some wagons here eventually, or a Nomad. Beautiful. Pebble Beach. That's right around the corner here. It's about a 40-minute drive. Go out there for work at times. Car stuff. That's where they have the concourse. Very cool collection of Mercs here. Very nice. Something sweet. 52 Fleet Line. That's really cool. That's a very nice car. Like that pinstriping on the deck lid, something you'd see on a lot of old school customs. Very nice interior. Nice little read right there. That's cool. Kind of walk you through some custom work. Yeah, this stuff's always really cool because you can see what they're doing on the full size and kind of scale it down. Now that you have a lot of options for chrome paint, kind of opens up the door to doing more stuff. Custom Revival, that's nice. Seen that before in some magazines. Really cool. Oh, that's beautiful. Love those old Rancheros. And check out that Ford pickup right there. Really nice. Very cool. I love those old Ford pickups. They make some really cool customs. Thinking about building one just right out of the box with the custom stuff they give you, I think would be a fun build. That's gorgeous right there. Love that paint. That's nice. 54. Another real nice Chevy here. I think our buddy Gary Seeds is just doing some painting on a 54 Chevy model, Revell one that's really cool. French antennas, French headlights. Yes, make sure you get over there and check his channel out if you haven't seen that. And you learn a lot from that guy and his paint work. Really nice. Alright, well, that gets us to the end of our Customs Illustrated and another Throwback Thursday. So I hope everybody's having a great week so far. Prayers to our friends in the community. Make sure you check out our page supporters and sponsors. Links and discount codes are in the description. And we'll catch you guys on the next one. Have a good one, everybody.